Hello, I'm Tom and I'm a cameraman. I just wanted to have a chat with you about the increased use of Wi-Fi little microphones like this. Loads of different companies do them. Rode, Hollyland, this particular one is the DJI Mic 2, and we're using them more and more for our video work. And I've started recently using them for broadcast as a test really previously, and I still do use Sennheiser mics and different professional mic kit, but these are phenomenal. But the pros for using one of these is another video altogether. The biggest problem with these is, yes, I plug it into my 416 and I use it as a transmitter, but more often than not, broadcasters and people like to also have a stick mic option. Now, how do you use this with a stick mic? What you don't do is hold it out like this in front of the person that you're interviewing. It looks terrible. For literally a couple of quid on AliExpress and different Chinese sites and probably sites in the UK, you can buy one of these, and this works with most of the different brands, and you literally clip in your mic onto the top of this, put the windshield over the top, and effectively you have a handheld mic. And this works really well, but it does look a bit naff. And as somebody that does television broadcast lives and BBC Breakfast and similar, I don't really want that to be the microphone that I give the journalist, and it's very hollow as well. Is there another option? Well, yes, there is. So first of all, I found an old handheld Sennheiser mic, and I took off the capsule top, and I managed to locate one of these in the top, and I thought, brilliant, it looks like a proper professional mic. It's got the new technology inside it, nice and simple, but of course, this was metal and it created a Faraday cage, and I got loads of RF and problems. So I left it for a while and I contemplated using this. Then I thought, I wonder if you can buy a child's toy microphone. And sure enough, that's when I found this on AliExpress, I think it was. It's about £3.50 and it's all made of plastic. So the first thing I did when I got it was check that I could take the capsule top off, which I can. Then I stuck some acoustic foam in here because it's a toy, there's no innards in it, and that's helped greatly. But then I had the issue that it was very plasticky and incredibly light, so I got a couple of old bolts that I didn't need anymore, wrapped them in foam so they don't rattle around, and I put them in here as a weight. So now this handle has some substance to it, some weight. We literally pop the mic in the top, screw the capsule back on again, and then we pop back on the decent, good quality softy windshield top, and then you end up with what looks like a professional handheld vocal mic for broadcast, and effectively you've got inside that the technology that you need, and it looks a lot better. Shouldn't have worn black on this video. It looks a lot better than that. So if you do use these and you don't want to use a visible 416 or a stick mic and you want something like this, a few quid on Chinese websites, get yourself one of these, and then you've got a very nice solution. And look out for this on some future broadcasts.